Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football. Now if you're desiring to leave a league in your ESPN Fantasy Football, there are 3 scenarios to take note of in order to leave. Now when we go over to the Fantasy tab, you can see 3 teams. Now these 3 teams have different league settings. Currently, the only way to leave a league is if the draft has not been completed. For example, if we go over to Curry's top team, you'll see that the draft time is in 2 hours and about 14 minutes. The option to leave this league is valid and active. This means that I can simply click on leave this league and I'm out of the league. And this is because the draft hasn't started just yet. I could join the league or indeed leave it as you might desire. For the second team, Ryan's top team, this team is already in a league that has been drafted. It's pretty difficult to leave this league because you're now part of the drafted teams, and any easy access to leaving this league will disrupt the balance of the league, and this is why it's pretty difficult or impossible to leave the league. Of course, if you're not interested in this league anymore, you just have to not do anything. However, this is discouraged as this might reduce the fun of others in the league. The other scenario is if you have a league that you've created on your own. And the TT's talented team is our team that we've created, and you can see that I'm the manager of this team. If you go over to League Manager Tools, at the top area, you have the option to delete the league. By deleting the league, this will permanently remove you, or you get to leave this league right here on ESPN Fantasy Football. So these are the 3 scenarios if you're considering leaving your league. In conclusion, you can leave a league if the draft hasn't happened yet. But you cannot leave a league if you've already been drafted and you have your team and it's a current running league. But if you're a league manager, you have the option to delete the league as you might prefer to do it. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.